Hey, welcome back to Math is Easy. Take it step by step. So in this test question, we are going to determine which table represents a function. So I've got some pretty important tips for you when it comes to recognizing functions, just given the x and y values. And so I'd like to show you this here now. So this is the actual test question. You have A represented by the table here, B represented by the table here, C represented by the table here. You'll have D representing the table here, and then finally E representing by this table here. One of the things I want to show you in this first video, not only the problem, but a couple of kind of, I don't know if this, you can really call them cheats, but definitely knowledge that you would like to know prior than trying to answer these questions is f of x, right? F of x is y, right? So the function of x, that's what f of x means, is y, right? So they are interchangeable. So for every f of x you see here, you can just put a y value. And maybe some of these tables are starting to look a little bit familiar, a little more familiar to you. You have the x and y values, right? X and y values, x and y values, x and y values, x and y values. But for some of you, you may see these. I know for me, it kind of threw me off. I'm not used to seeing my x and y value or table value of coordinate points look like this from left to right. I am more used to seeing my f of x value tables look more like you see down here, right? The left side is my x value, my right side is my y value. But I want to show you these mean the exact same thing. Let's take a look at this last table here. X is 1, y is 9. X is 1, my f of x, which is y, is 9. My x is 0, my y is 11. X is 0, y is 11. My x value is 1, my y value is 12. When x is 1, y is 12. And when x is negative 4 and y is 17, you can see my x value is negative 4, my y value is 17. So whether they're written vertically, showing your x and y values, or written horizontally, showing your x and f of x, which is equal to y, same thing, interchangeable, the values will always mean the same thing. So that's a key part of the introduction of what I wanted to show you. So whether you're going to use these tables down here, or whether you're going to use these tables up here, is either or. Tomato, tomato, right? You can use either or. They represent the same values. So in order for a table or x and y values, right, to represent a function, which again, let me show you the question. Which table represents a function, right? Well, you are allowed. Well, you know what? I'm going to wait to the next video. So stay with me. In the next video, I'm going to give you a definition of a function in regards to x and y coordinate points. That's what we have here. These are x and y coordinate points. And that's what we're talking about. X and y ordered pairs, 0 and 1 for this example in table B is considered an ordered pair, x value, y value. So in the next video, what I'd like to do is go over the definition of x and y coordinate points in relation to a function, and give you some key points that you need to find in order to answer this question. All right. Hey, math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. like, follow, and share these videos. Help me to get to 20,000 followers. Thank you for your time. Math is easy, step by step.